Okay, so again, we're starting from exactly where we left off. The next thing you might want to do is to start to think what sorts of sequence of pages you might want to work through in your story map, and to create another of the sort of next one of those pages, what you would click on is down here at the bottom, add section. And when it says main stage content, as you can see, that refers to what's going to be occupying the main section of your story map, and then secondly, what will be perhaps down the left hand side. So here, I don't know, let's say I want to have perhaps something to do with the ice extent at the end of the last glaciation. It's going to be a map, and what I'll need to do is to select a map from some other ones that I have saved on my ArcGIS Online, but you won't see any other maps there because you've not created any yet. So the first thing we'll need to do, let's leave it as topographic map, Lake District map for the moment. And if I then click next, you'll see again where this appears, and I can just add my map in later and then edit it. So if I click add, you can see then my pages are starting to appear down the left hand side, but what I really need is a map to satisfy my ice extent idea here. So I'm going back to where I was working in the sort of map version of ArcGIS Online. What I could do is I could look for a different sort of a base map. So you might decide that for whatever reason you want to have a bit of a satellite image of the Lake District on one of your pages. So you could save that map and then you could import that into your story map. Or otherwise you could start to do something a little bit more sophisticated, which is to actually add layers of information. So to do that, we're going to go to add, search for layers. First thing to do is to change this drop down to ArcGIS Online so that you're only searching for maps that are going to work in this program. And then let's say I wanted to know the ice extent at the last glacial maximum. So you're just really searching for keywords. If I type in last glacial maximum and go, then I get a whole range of different things. If you want to know a little bit more about these layers, you can just click on the title there and it'll sort of suggest what it shows you. So this one, for example, would show me the coastline during the last ice age. I think I probably want to just be shown where the ice was at the last glacial maximum. So if I click add, and then I probably want to zoom out to make sense of this, then you can see how far south in the UK the ice reached, and I might decide that that's quite a nice thing to add to my story map. So I'm going to click done, adding layers. I'm going to save this map as last glacial maximum. My tag can be LGM. I'm going to save that. Oh, I've already done it before. So I'll call it last glacial maximum example. I'm going to save that to my area. Then I'm going to go back into my story map. I'm going to edit this page here, and it's my main stage. Now hopefully I can select a map and I will see in there my last glacial maximum example, so I'm clicking on that. If I click overview map, you'll see what that will add as well, and then let's see what happens when I add that to my story map. So now you can see I've added that map in. Overview map shows where you're kind of the area that you're zoomed in on, what area it shows there in the map. And because I've made changes to my map, I think I probably want to make sure I don't lose those. So for now, I'm going to go save. And there we go, you've added another page to your map, and you could go back again and add some more layers, which I'll talk to you about very shortly.